Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe down below to see more content, and let's jump right into it. So first things first, we'll start off with the key. You have your lock, unlock, remote start, and tailgate functions, as well as a panic button. You can see up front on the LTZ, you have the chrome grille, LED headlights. You can also see you do have your parking sensors up front. There are those little dots. You have two black tow hooks. Classic Chevrolet bow tie. This one does have the 6.2 liter V8, so you can see that badging right there. You also do have the Z71 package on this one. So you have all the skid plates underneath, as you can see there. You do have the all-terrain tires. These are Goodyear regular tires. 275 60 20, so you have 20-inch wheels on this package. Another cool thing about this one is you do have the automatic running boards, so when you open up the door, those will come out. It also does have another function where if you press this button with your foot, it'll slide out to the side, so you can step up into the back if you have a toolbox or something and have easy access. So we'll go ahead and put that back. Another thing you'll notice on the LTZ is you do have the chrome trim around the windows, chrome trim on the mirrors, chrome door handles, pretty much chrome everywhere. And moving around to the back, you have more chrome on the rear bumper, your electronic parking sensors. You do have the dual exhaust tips, so you can hear that 6.2 liter V8. Spare tire underneath, all of your towing hookups in the back. You do have the Multipro tailgate, so this top button will open up this top portion and it'll come right down like that. You can use that as a work surface. You can also pull up, use that as a load stop, and you can also pull the whole assembly down just like that. You can also have that detached so you have easy access to the bed, and you can also pull this down and pull this handle up so you can use that as a step to get up into the bed. But back here you have your 120 volt outlet, spray in bed liner, all of your tie downs with the black Chevrolet badge, as you can see there. You also do have some lights. So all of that comes in handy for whatever you need. We'll go ahead and put this back up. Easy fill gas cap. This is the 6.2 liter V8, so 93 is recommended. Moving to the back, you can see you have all of your storage pockets in the doors. Plenty of room for activities. You also do have the nice leather seating. You have storage behind the seats. You can also lift up the seats like that for more storage space. You also do have your tools to get out the spare tire and your jack as well on the other side. We'll go ahead and put that back down. Hop inside, we'll give you an idea of the space. So plenty of room back here. You also do have a divot in the roof for more space. You have heated seats in the second row, all of your phone hookups, AC vents, storage behind the seats. You can also pull this down. You've got some cup holders for the back seats. You can comfortably seat 3 people back here. So tons of space. Go ahead and hop in the driver's seat. We'll start it up. You have your push button ignition, so you just put your foot on the brake, hit that button, and it'll start the vehicle up. So on this steering wheel, you have a heated steering wheel, you have your forward collision controls, cruise control. You also do have 2 pedals on the back to scroll through your music. On the other side, this is to turn your volume up and down. You can control the center screen, so you can move up, down, left, and right. So you can see all of your stats for your vehicle. So you can see how fast you're going, trip, mileage, timer, tire pressure, oil life, brake pad life, air filter life, all that stuff. You also do have your settings, phone, navigation, music, and that information. You can also see what drive mode you're in. We're in two-wheel drive in the normal mode. To switch through those modes, you just push this to the left or to the right. You have a normal, sport, and an off-road mode. You also do have the trailer mode that you can activate by pushing that button. All of your four-wheel drive controls right here. So you have 2 high, 4 low, 4 high, and auto. Electronic parking brake. All of your light controls in one place. This one also does have the heads-up display, so you can turn the brightness up or down, change your information, and move the heads-up display up and down. So there's that heads-up display. I'll just scroll through all the information so you can see that. What all that does is project up into the windshield so you can see everything. Your mirrors do fold in. You can also see you do have your blind spot monitoring in the mirrors. So if something's in your blind spot, that'll light up orange. Memory seats, you have 2 different settings with an exit setting. Plenty of storage in the doors. You also do have Bose audio all the way around in this vehicle. Super deep center console. You do have a tray in here that you can pull out if you need more storage. You also do have your 3-prong outlet, all of your phone hookups, and a wireless charger. You have an electronic precision shifter. So all you have to do is press this button on the left, pull back for drive, pull back again for L mode, push all the way up for reverse, and then you push up a little bit for neutral. To put it back in park, you just push this P. Tons of storage up here. You got a couple cup holders, little cubby right there. You also do have your trailer brake adjuster, so you can adjust that. Heated and cooled seats on the driver and passenger side. All of your AC controls in one place. And you do have a couple more phone hookups. This is to adjust your volume and to turn your music on or off. You also do have a home button for that touchscreen. You can see here you have your lane keep assist, electronic parking sensors. You can turn on or off your automatic stop start. You can lower the tailgate, use your hazards, turn your traction control on and off, and use your hill descent. And this button right here will roll down all the windows. So the driver, passenger, front and back, it'll roll all those down. You also do have your audio. It has AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You also do have built-in Google Maps. So that's pretty much your navigation for this vehicle. You can set up different phones. You have plenty of cameras. So you can see in front of you, you can see behind you. You do have a zoomed in view of the back and the front. You can also see your sides in the front or back, and you have a tow hitch view. You can also see inside the bed, which is super cool. So all of that comes in handy when you're moving around in tight spots, especially in a truck like this. You do have your trailing apps, climate, settings, Wi-Fi hotspot, My Chevrolet app, all that stuff right there. A little more storage right above the screen. You also do have this super cool rear view camera mirror. You can adjust as well. You can turn the brightness up or down. You can zoom in or out, and you can move it up or down. You can cut that off by flipping this up or down. You have all of your OnStar buttons. You have a sliding rear glass window that you can open or close, and you have 3 different garage door openers. You also do have your lights that you can cut on just by pushing them like that. 2 glove boxes, so you have one up top, one at the bottom for plenty of storage space. More storage on the passenger side. You also do have these nice Z71 floor mats in this vehicle. So some really nice touches inside here. Leather seating all the way around in the front and back. Tons of space up front as well, tons of headroom. Oh, and you do have these super cool shifters as well, so you can upshift or downshift. Let's go ahead and take a look at the outside. I'll show you guys the window sticker on this one. But make sure you guys comment down below. What do you guys think of the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ? Pretty much has everything you could ever want on it. And if that's not enough, they do make a high country with even more stuff on it. Also hear that 6.2. But moving around to the window sticker. So like I said before, this is the 2024 Silverado 1500 Crew Cab LTZ 4-wheel drive. Black on black with a 6.2 liter V8 with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Base price of the LTZ is $60,500. This one has all of these packages on it. So total price of this specific one is $70,980. With that 6.2 liter, you're gonna get 15 miles per gallon city, 20 highway. And here's the whole window sticker if you guys wanna pause the video and take a look at it. But as always, I appreciate you guys watching if you're still here to the end. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys liked this video, subscribe down below to see more cars. And also on your screen, you're gonna see some more videos. So if those look interesting, make sure to click on them. And I'll see you guys next time.